Hello dear student and all my friends. Today I have taken the chapter cube and cube roots. Cube and cube roots. I have taken the chapter cube and cube roots of class 8th. So cube, you know about the cube of any number. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the square and square root. Today we have discussed about cube and cube roots. Cube root, 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 multiplication 1 multiplication 1. So what will be comes out them? 1. So same here, 2 cube. 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2. So what will be comes out them? 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Same here, 3 cube. 3 multiplication 3 multiplication 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Same again, 4 cube. So here 4 multiplication 4 multiplication 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So same you have to follow 5 cube. 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5. So what will becomes? 5 multiplication 5 25, 25 multiplication 5 125. So same pattern we have to follow. So we have taken here 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 multiplication 10 multiplication 10. So what will be comes out them? 1000 will be comes out them. So this is a 10 cube. We have taken some interesting pattern for finding the cube. Add consecutive odd number. Add consecutive odd number. Add consecutive. It means that when we have to add 1 is equal to 1, that will becomes 1 cube. Same here, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So here pattern will be formed 2 cube. So same here, either we can 3, 5. Next will be 7 plus 9 plus 11. That will becomes 27. It will becomes out 3 cube. So next we have to here 11, 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So what will be comes out them? Here 3 cubes will be there. It will be 64. That is 4 cube. Added them. It will becomes out 64. 9 plus 7 16, 21, 24, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will becomes out 64. So here 19, 21 plus 23, 25, 27 plus 29. So how many we have to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So it will be formed add 5 cubes. So what is the 5 cube? 125. That is 5 cube. So same pattern we have to follow out them. So it will be comes out 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. Either you have to make for the 6 cube or 7 cube. So 6 cube. So we can write here 29. It will becomes 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So it will be formed 6 cube. So 6 cube. What will be 6 cube? That is 216. 1 plus 9, 10, 17, 22, 25, 26. 2 plus 4, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So same pattern we have to follow out them, and you can write 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. So this type of question will be asked in the competitive exam. Here taken the first question is 243 a perfect cube? Is 243 a perfect cube or not? So making a perfect cube, firstly prime by using prime factorization method. 243, here last digit, one's digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 2 because even numbers are not there. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will be not there. So here for divisibility for 3, so here we can write for divisibility by 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, so we can write here 3. Divide 243 with 3. 3 years are 24, 3 1 ja 3. Again 8 plus 1, 9, so it divisible by 3, so 3. 3 2 ja 6, 2, 1, 3 7 ja 21. Again 7 plus 2, 9, 3, 9. 3, 3, 3, 1. This is the prime factorization method. So 243 perfect cube or not? So how many 3's will be there? For in the previous lecture we have finding out them, thus finding the square root, then we have to taken only 2 numbers. It means that make a pair. This time for making a cube, for making a cube we make a this type of pair, not pair, this is the cube. So here 1 3 are not there for making the cube. So this is 243 a perfect cube? Your answer is no. 243 is not a perfect cube. Okay, so this is a question. Next question is 392 a perfect cube? Same pattern we have to follow. Then they will be asked, if not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. This is the question. Is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number. We have to find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So firstly you have to find it them. Is that perfect cube or not? You have to given. If not, I know that it is given, but we have to finding it them by prime factorization method. So using prime factorization method 392. So here last one's digit is 2, last digit या one's digit, that is the same thing. So 2, 2 ones are 2, 1, 9, 2 nines are 18, 1, 2, 2 6 are 12. Either you have difficulty, then you have to divide 392 divide by 2 by rough work. So here 2 nines are 18, 1 6, 2 eights are 16. Again it will becomes 2 fours are 8, 9. So here 49 will be comes out then. So it not divisible by 2. For 3, 9 plus 4, 13, not divisible by 3. Here prime factorization, prime number will be comes out then. Firstly, you started with the 2, then 3, it not divisible by 3, 5, not divisible by 5 because in the last digit not 0 and 5, 7. Next prime number is 7. So 7, 7, 7 ja 49. So 7, 1. So 392. Prime factors of 392 is 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 into 7 into 7. So here only one cube will be formed out them of the 2, not make the cube for the 7. So what is the smallest natural number? Either we have to multiplication with the 7, then make a perfect cube. So smallest number is, so smallest natural number is, so what is the smallest natural number? That is 7. So when we have to multiplication with the 7, then it make a perfect cube. So here 392 multiplication with the 7. So 7 to the 14, 4, 1, 7 9s are 63, 64, 6, 7 3s are 21 and 6, 27. Either they will be asked in the next exercise, find the cube root of this number. So cube root. So cube root of this number, here you can write here 2744. Either you can write here 3. Either nothing will be right, it means that square root. Either you can write here 3, it means that 2744, that is 1 by 3. So we have to finding this cube root in the next video. So here either we have to write 2744, what will be the cube root of them? 2 into 7, that will be comes out 14. This is your exercise and try the question. I have to given 53,240. Is that perfect cube or not? You can solve this question and find it. Is that perfect cube or not? And if not, find the smallest natural number by which we have to multiply so that the product is a perfect cube. So this is the question. You can solve it. Thank you.